My dear student, now I am going to start the product formula. In logarithm, you also write the product formula. Is it or not? In the differential also a product formula. If y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now we do what we do. First of all, first is kept constant, second one is differentiate, plus second one is kept constant, first one will be differentiated, so that the formula becomes y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now second one, this one formula is also very important. Second one formula we use also, if y is equal to v by u. Keep caution, that's why I have written in a bold and darken it. If y is equal to v by u, then dy by dx is first of all denominator term, denominator dv by dx minus v du by dx by denominator square means u square. Is it clear? Again I say, if y is equal to v by u, then dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx minus v du by dx by u square. You have to take caution. What we say, first of all denominator, differentiate the numerator, and again numerator into differential of denominator by denominator square. Is it clear? Are you able to learn? First of all, what we say, denominator into differential of numerator minus numerator into differential of denominator by denominator square. Is it clear? In the into and division formula, in product formula and division formula, you have to apply, in a product formula you have to apply plus sign, in division formula you have to apply minus formula. If y is equal to u to the power n, then differential coefficient of y with respect to x is equal to n u to the power n minus 1 by du by dx. That one formula we use several times. I give you some example. Orally. One is the differential of the constant formula. Suppose I ask differential, what is the differential coefficient of pi? Pi is a constant quantity, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi is equal to 0. Suppose I ask you differential coefficient of 4 or 5 or 6k square. 6k square is a constant term. In physics, k is a constant term, so that the differential coefficient of y with respect to x is equal to d by dx into d by dx of 6k square is equal to 0. Now second one, if we write, find y is equal to 4x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 9. Find the differential coefficient of y with respect to x. Is it or not? So that dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 4x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 9. Now in the beginning you have to differentiate each and every term, so that we write d by dx of 4x cube plus d by dx of 7x square plus d by dx of 4x cube plus d by dx of 7x square plus d by dx of 6x plus d by dx of 9. All of you know that differential coefficient of any constant quantity such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, pi, log, they are having the value of 0. So that now in this formula you have to apply power formula. Power formula, you know that d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So that 4 constant are taken out from the differential into power is 3. So that we write 3x to the power 3 minus 1 plus 7. 7 is a constant term. 7 can be taken out from the differential. So that 7 into 2. 2 is the power n. In place of n we write 2 x to the power n minus 1. Then we write x to the power 2 minus 1 plus 6 x power is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Any quantity raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. And differential coefficient of 9 is equal to 0. After solving we write as d by dx is equal to 12x square plus 14x plus 6. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear or not? You have to solve another one question I given you, that in this you can able to solve and then able to understand. Now next example, find dy by dx if y is equal to x square plus 3 into x4 minus 8. Which one formula we use? We use the formula u into v, that is the product formula. Then we know that the product formula d by dx of u into v is equal to u constant dv by dx plus v du by dx. In this we apply this one formula. Therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square plus 3 into x4 minus 8. Now u is taken, this one term is u, this one term is v. We assume this one term is u, this one term is v. U is taken constant, therefore x square plus 3 d by dx of x to the power 4 minus 8 plus, again v is taken constant, the x4 minus 8 into d by dx of x square plus 3. Is it? Now we differentiate this one. X square plus 3 into 4 is a power. Therefore 4 x to the power 4 minus 1 minus differential coefficient of any constant 8 is equal to 0. Therefore we write 4 x to the power minus 1 minus 0 plus x4 minus 8 into, again we apply the power formula 2 x to the power 2 minus 1 and we apply the constant formula. The differential of any constant is equal to 0. Therefore we have the remaining term x square plus 3 into 4x cube plus x4 minus 8 into 2x. Is it clear? Now we multiply and solve it, and we get 4x to the power 5 plus 12x cube plus 2x to the power 5 minus 8 into 2x is equal to 16x. By solving we get here 2x to the power 5, 4x to the power 5 is equal to 6x plus 5 plus 12x cube minus 16x. It is your answer. Now next one is the division formula. We apply the division formula here. Find dy by dx if y is equal to x square plus x minus 1 by x square minus x minus 1. We apply the division formula. Then what we say? First of all, denominator into differential of numerator minus here numerator into differential of denominator by denominator square. So which one term in the denominator? Denominator term is x square minus x minus 1. Numerator term is x square plus x minus 1. Therefore, we differentiate this one. First of all, denominator x square minus x minus 1 into differential coefficient of numerator d by dx of x square plus x minus 1 minus sign. Then again we write numerator x square plus x minus 1 into differential of denominator d by dx of x square minus x minus 1 by denominator square. Is it clear? By solving this one, x square minus x minus 1 into differential of d by dx square, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of x minus d by dx of 1. Then your result should be 2x plus 1. In the similarly, x square plus x minus 1. Again we differentiate this one. Then we get 2x minus 1 by x square minus x minus 1 whole square. By multiplying we get 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus x square minus x minus 1 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus x square plus x by x minus 1 by x square minus x minus 1 whole square. Then we get overall minus 2x square minus 2 by x square minus x minus 1 whole square. Now 2 is taken common and equal to minus 2 x square plus 1 by x square minus x minus 1 whole square. This one your answer. My dear student, next one question, find dy by dx if y is equal to x 5 by 2 minus 5 by x square. Is it clear? Now we apply first of all dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the power 5 minus 2 minus 5 by x square. Is it clear? D by dx of, now separate it, x to the power 5 by 2 minus d by dx of 5 by x square. Now 1 by 2 taken out, differential of x to the power 5, differential d by dx of x to the power 5. Now x is taken to the numerator side, then it becomes x to the power minus 2 and d by dx of 5x to the power minus 2. Therefore 5 1 by 2 into 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1 minus 5 is also a constant term, so can be taken out minus 5 into minus 2. Here the n is equal to minus 2, so that we write here n is equal to minus 2 x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Now we solve this one, 5 by 2 x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus, and this one minus plus 5 into 2 10 x to the power minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore we write as d by dx is equal to 5 by 2 x square plus 10 x to the power minus 3. First one answer. Otherwise, if you write in another way, then 5 by 2 x to the power 4 plus 10 by x to the power 3 is taken to the denominator side and we get 10 by x cube. Is it clear? Now more example from this one, to find the differential coefficient of dy by dx if y is equal to 1 by root x. 1 by root x. Then y is equal to root x to the power half. Now x is taken to the numerator side. It becomes x to the power minus half. X to the power minus half. Then dy by dx of x to the power minus half is equal to minus half. And in place of n we write minus half. X to the power minus half minus 1. It becomes half minus half x to the power minus 3 by 2. Now we write d by dx is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2. X is taken to the denominator side. The power becomes positive. Is it clear? All of you understand how can we use the formula? Power formula. X to the power n d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Now second one, next one question, y is equal to 1 by x plus 3, then find dy by dx. How can we find? We have to apply in this we apply the formula dy by dx of d by dx is equal to d by dx of x to the x plus 3 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is a power. Therefore, minus 1 into x plus 3 to the power n minus 1. In place of n, we write minus 1 d by dx of x plus 3. We have the formula in this. Therefore, we solve it minus x to the x plus 3 to the power minus 2. Again, now we apply the here d by dx of x plus 3. We apply the addition formula. So d by dx of x plus d by dx of 3. You know that differential of any constant is equal to 0. Therefore, we write minus x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power minus 2. d by dx of x is equal to 1. Differential of any constant is equal to 0. Therefore, we write d by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 3 to the power 2. This one term is taken to the denominator. Then power becomes positive. Therefore, your answer is d by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. Is it clear? My dear student, I give you the next one example. Y is equal to 3 plus x square to the power half. Find dy by dx. Then how can you find dy by dx? Then we write first of all dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3 plus x square to the power half. Is it or not? We make it that one formula. Then half is the power n and x to the power u to the power n minus 1. In place of u 3 plus x square half minus 1. Then we write d by dx of 3 plus x square. Is it clear? The last one formula half 3x plus 3 plus x square to the power minus half into 2x. Is it clear? Now we write as this one minus half is taken to the denominator side. We get 2x by 2, 3 plus x square to the power half. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x by 3 plus x to the 3 plus x square to the power half. That is your answer. Now, I give you some work. You practice by yourself. Answer are also provided along with the question. Then, first of all, solve it. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 5x plus 9. Second one question, y is equal to 1 by x square plus 3. Then find dy by dx. Third question, if y is equal to root x minus 1 by root x. Find dy by dx. Fourth question, y is equal to 3x plus 2 into 4x minus 5. In this, you have to apply into formula. Differential coefficient of d by dx of u into v is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Then you will get the answer. Now here the division formula, y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Then find dy by dx. Then what we do? We have the formula, division formula, d by dx of v by u. Then we write first of all denominator into d by dx of numerator minus numerator into differential of denominator by denominator square. Then you will be able to find. In the same way, I give you another one question from the division formula, y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. Then find dy by dx. Is it? Are you able to solve? Solve by yourself. If you have any doubt, then you can ask with me. Now the differential coefficient of trigonometric functions. Differential coefficient of sin x is equal to cos x. Differential coefficient of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Differential of tan x is equal to sec square x. Similarly, differential coefficient of cot x. In physics, we use only the sin, cos and tan. Sin, cos and tan. More addition, differential coefficient of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Differential coefficient of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Differential coefficient of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. If we write another one, sin function d by dx of sin u is equal to cos u into du by dx. थोड़ा इसमें ध्यान देना है. You have to learn it properly. d by dx of cos u is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. d by dx of tan u sec square u into du by dx. Is it clear? This one formula, only you have to learn this one formula. d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. d by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. It is the primary. This one the primary formula. You have to apply it in all over the physics.